Hi everyone, welcome back to We Recruits. This is Ravish. I hope you guys have liked my last video. So as I told you, there would be videos related to job opportunities where you can directly apply, how to use social networking site like LinkedIn for networking, applying jobs and e-learning, acquiring license for different industries in different region and certifications as well. This video is all about the job opportunities in Dubai, Vietnam, Mumbai, Ahmedabad and Rajkot. So let's start this video and get to know who is hiring. So the first position we have is for the location of Dubai. The name of the group hiring is Al Tadawi Medical Group, privately held at Port Said, Dubai, with around 350 to 400 healthcare profession. The position they are recruiting is for nurse, DHA license. You can directly apply for this position by sending your resume along with your certification to Ms. Fatima, HR Director, on atmchr@altadawimedical.com. DHA stands for Dubai Health Authority. It's basically a license required for every healthcare professional who is working in Dubai. If you don't have DHA license, you can send all your queries on info.werecruits@gmail.com. I will get back to you with all your queries within short period of time. The second opportunity we have is for the profile of Operation Director in food processing industry. The employer name and identity will be disclosed during one-to-one discussion. The location is Vietnam. The salary what they are offering right now is $15,000 plus allowances every month. The director would be looking for the production, quality, warehouse, budget and cost control. To apply for this position, you can send your resume on zaidmoin@gmail.com. The third position of the day is for CTO, Chief Technical Officer, and the client is the Renal Projects in Mumbai. Another C-suite profile where candidate would be managing hospital management system, implementation of ITO, app development for patients, interface, appointments and payment, data collection and analytics. The salary bracket what they are offering right now it's 60 to 120k per month, plus equity 3 to 5%. If you want to apply for this position, you can visit the website www.therenalprojects.com. The fourth position we have is for full stack developer for the location Ahmedabad, India, having experience around 2 to 4 years. The skill a candidate should possess are PHP, PSR Quality Sense, PHP MVC framework, Linux OS, JavaScript framework, MySQL, WebRTC. The salary bracket we have is around 50,000 Indian rupees, and the candidate who are interested can directly apply by sending their resume on shah17vidhi@gmail.com. Now we have 5 requirements for Rajkot location in IT department. The first position we have is for iOS developer. We need around 2 to 3 years of experience. The other position is Android developer, again 2 years of experience. The third position is Node.js developer, around 1 or 2 years of experience. The fourth position is Flutter and React Native, around 1 year of experience. And the last position is for Laravel developer, PHP, around 1 or 2 years of experience. The candidate who wants to apply for this position can directly apply by sending their resume on shah17vidhi@gmail.com. That's all for today's guys. I hope you have liked the video. Link to apply for every single position has been given into the description. If you have still any query, you can share me on info.werecruits@gmail.com. Please like, subscribe and share with your friends and colleagues. Thank you.